Hey y'all, it's Nye. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm about to be doing something like a little different. Well, I'm not gonna say a little different, it is different. Like, I'm not doing like a skit or a story time video. I am going to be filming me doing my balance on my nails. So let's get into it. Okay, so I took the nail polish off and I filed off the glitter because I had to file off the glitter because you can't take that off with nail polish remover, sadly. But I filed off the glitter and now I am wiping it off with some alcohol to, you know, clean it up. Okay, so I'm getting this nail form because all of my nails are not the same length, and I have worn these nails like this set is like probably like a month or two old, and my nails have not been the same length, and it was really bothering me. So I use Young Nails nail powder, and I also use their monomer as well. So my thumb and my middle finger were the only two on this hand that were not the same length. So I am fixing that right now. More videos like this, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section. Okay, so I use Nail Finds Prep and Primer. I didn't put that on here, but I use Nail Finds Prep and Primer for my nails, and I go over that twice, and I let it, you know, go over with the prep, let it dry, go over with the prep again, let it dry, and then go over with the primer the same way. And now I'm just filling in, doing my little fill, and I have pink and like I have a pink nail and a multicolor nail from when I first did my nails. It's like the little design I did, and the acrylic is still on there, so that's why they're not the same color as all my other nails. But yeah, now I'm doing the middle finger, making it the same length as the other ones. Y'all, this nail form will not act right. I had to like put pressure down on it so it could stay flat up against my nail so that I could extend the nail. I don't even know if you're supposed to do this. Oh, I am not a licensed professional at all. I just do my nails because it's cheaper than going to the shop and getting them done. I've been doing it for some years now, so I'm slowly getting better. It don't make no sense. Okay, so now I did the fill on both hands, and on the other hand I had like nails that needed to be extended too. It was just one, so I extended that one nail. And now I am filing. I have a drill, but I really don't like to use the drill to like file my nails because I feel like using a nail file is much better than using a drill. I only use the drill to like take polish off and get around my cuticle area when getting rid of my cuticle when doing my fill and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over and file. First I use on both of these are both 180, 100, 180 grit nail files. So I use the 100 grit first because it's rougher, it's more, I guess you could say coarse, I don't know, then the 180. And then when I'm done using the 100, I switch to the 180 side to, you know, get it together, kind of buff it, and then I use a buffer to buff it all at the end. Y'all, so I'm done filing and now we are at the fun part when I'm about to start doing my polish. Now this is a red polish that I got. It's O.P.I polish. It's their Gelish 2. I think that's the kind it is. That's not the color, but that's just the kind. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I am putting a gel top coat on my nails, and then I'm putting like this little glitter, this holographic kind of like glitter stuff on my nails. And this is a design for this nail, but on the other nail that I'm going to be putting it on, that is the nail that the rhinestones are going to be on. And you'll see me putting the rhinestones on there in a second. And then after I do all of that, I put a gel top coat on all the other nails, and then I cure them under the light for 30 seconds. After I cure my nails, I put the red polish on my nails so that it can start drying while I'm working on my rhinestones and stuff. Because this is not a gel polish. This red polish is not a gel polish, so you want to make sure that your nail polish dry 100% of the way before you try to put a gel top coat on it and cure it, because then if you don't, it'll like shrink and get like little wrinkles and stuff in it. I don't know how to explain it, but it happened to me before on more than one occasion, and it's so irritating. Okay, so now I'm taking this gel. I actually learned this method from Nail Career Education, and I am taking some gel and I am putting it on the nail. Putting it on the nail. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm taking some gel and this is the nail that the rhinestones are going to go on. So I put the gel on, and then after I put on the gel and I get it smooth, I put on a gel top coat. And then when I put on the gel top coat, I don't cure it. You don't cure it at all in between or anything. And then you put the rhinestones on however you want your rhinestones to look. And then when you're done putting the rhinestones on, that is when you cure the nail. Now, I should have used a thicker gel, but this is the only gel that they had. So like my rhinestones were slipping and sliding everywhere. Not really like bad, but they were like moving. Not at the base, but at the tip of the nail. When I got to the tip of the nail, they were moving. I just had to push them up a little bit before I cured it, but it was actually pretty simple. It's a really easy method. And then I finished the other hand, and this is the finished product, y'all. Aren't they so pretty, folk? Let me fix the light. No, but look at these. I freaking love these nails. Like, yes, honey. And I did a poll on Instagram to see what color I should do, and red won. So I did red. It was either red or green, and red won. But yes, look at these. Look at these. Alright, y'all. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, go ahead and, you know, give it a little thumbs up. You know. And let me know if y'all want more videos like this. If y'all want more videos like this, put it in the comment section below. Just comment down below like, yeah, we want more videos like this. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.